Hey everyone, welcome back to MK Car Reviews, the place where we bring you the latest, most exciting updates from the world of automobiles. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review that could help you choose your next ride. Today, we've got something a little different but super interesting. We are talking about the 2025 Toyota JPN Auto Rickshaw. Yes, you heard that right, Toyota, the global car giant, has stepped into the world of three-wheelers and it's making quite a statement with its JPN taxi-inspired auto rickshaw. First impressions? This isn't your average auto. The 2025 Toyota JPN Auto is sleek, futuristic, and designed with both comfort and practicality in mind. It borrows its design cues from the Toyota JPN Taxi, which was built for urban mobility in Japan, and adapts it to the compact, three-wheeled format that's perfect for crowded streets in Asian cities. Let's talk design. The front end is more car-like than rickshaw-like. It features a squared-off bonnet, integrated LED headlamps, and a modern, clean silhouette. The body looks solid, not like the typical tin can autos we are used to. It's wider and slightly longer, giving more legroom and better stability. The rear has an automatic sliding door, which is a huge step up in terms of convenience and safety. Now, what's under the hood? Toyota is focusing on sustainability, so the JPN Auto Rickshaw is expected to come with a hybrid electric powertrain. It could feature a small petrol engine combined with an electric motor to ensure low emissions and better fuel efficiency. Early reports suggest a range of over 100 kilometers on electric power alone, which is more than enough for daily city commutes. Inside, the comfort levels are surprising. The cabin is spacious for a rickshaw, with well-cushioned seats and even air conditioning, a luxury in this segment. There's a digital instrument cluster, USB charging ports, and ample storage space for luggage. For the driver, the cockpit is ergonomic and includes an infotainment screen, which is rare in a three-wheeler. Toyota is also prioritizing safety. The JPN Auto may feature ABS, a reinforced chassis, and even airbags in select variants. It's clearly designed for urban professionals, airport transfers, and tourists, offering a premium experience in a compact form. Now, pricing hasn't been officially announced yet, but considering Toyota's brand positioning and the features packed in, it's likely to be more expensive than traditional rickshaws. However, the long-term benefits in comfort, fuel savings, and reliability could easily make up for the higher upfront cost. So, what do you think about Toyota's new approach to urban mobility with the 2025 JPN Auto Rickshaw? Is this the future of short-distance travel in our cities? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching MK Car Reviews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such updates and reviews.